Khandala. I'm Shashikant Borate, Principal Training Center Khandala. I'm telling about my training center first. This is the first training center in Maharashtra, that is Police Training Center Khandala, and it is established in 1960. This institute has been glorified twice with Union Home Minister's Trophy for the best training institute for year 2015 and 16 and 2018 and 19. Now, I'm telling about this program, Swasth Police, Sashakt Police and Saksham Police. Means Swasth means healthy, Sashakt means strong, and Saksham means competent. Sir, this is the training center mainly started for basic training course for police constables, especially women police constables. But the then Director General of Police, Maharashtra, Sri Subodh Kumar Jaiswal sir, now he is Director of CBI, started this program, and this program name Swasth Police, Sashakt Police, Saksham Police, that is in service career development program, which is started first time in Maharashtra for middle rank officers, that is for assistant police commissioner to assistant police inspector. Sir, this program first time in Maharashtra, police training is only for police officers and police constables, but in police there is a special attention to only that is physical training, weapon training, and laws. But in this training, first time we have started this training in two modules, that is divided in two parts, that is personal development skills and professional development skills. In personal development skill, there is a goal setting, time and stress management, leadership and delegation, communication skills, diet and nutrition, emotional intelligence, and financial management. These personal development skills, uh, skill training was not previously in Maharashtra Police, but in this career development course for middle rank officers, it is included in this course. So our training has become holistic now. In professional development, new trends in crime, new challenges like cyber crime, new offenses, economic offenses, aids in scientific investigation, women and child related offenses, community policing, gender sensitization. And these all these parts are included in a training module. Uh, and it becomes a complete package of our training course. Now, I'm telling about this uniqueness of this program. Uh, in in police training, there was only attention given to professional developments in about crime related training, about physical training, about weapon training, but nobody given attention to their personal development skill. So goal setting, time management, leadership, and delegation, communication skill, diet and nutrition was not a part of training previously. So this training course, we have developed a new module. In that module, we have given special attention to yoga and meditation, because in in a career development course, a lot of officers came after 40 to 40 years to 50 years. They are their ages are in between them. So physical training becomes difficult. We have included yoga. This yoga and meditation, they make yoga and meditation. Uh, we have organized with the help of Kaivalya Dham Lonavala. It is internationally renowned and famous institute of Lonavala, and a lot of uh, their activities are helpful for us, uh, as we are in located in Lonavala. So, in a police department, there is a lot of stress. Yoga and meditation becomes very important for us. So, second uniqueness of this program is diet and nutrition. Um, Dr. Rujuta Divekar, internationally renowned dietitian, uh, gave us a good diet plan, and she gave a very innovative and high protein and locally made food items in our diet plan. So that diet plan gives a good result. We have noticed 2 to 3 kilos of weight loss in most of participants in short period of 2 weeks only. There is a another uniqueness, that is personal development training. As I told you in previous slide, that is goal setting, time and stress management, leadership and delegation, communication skill, diet and nutrition, emotional intelligence, financial management. We police officers are lacking in goal setting due to a lot of uh, due to lot of work. So we need our officers need that is goal setting, uh, time management, and leadership, delegation, communication skills. So that is included in this program. For this program, we have obtained help from corporate trainers of Edelweiss Financial Corporation, that is Ketan Gawan, gives us 3 days program for our officers. Another uniqueness of this program, that is family participation. In this course, family participation becomes very important, because police officers are responsible for 24 hours of duty. Lots of police officers can't give a time to family. So in their training, we have included their families for this training, and yoga, meditation, diet and nutrition, and meditation, cultural program, family tour becomes a new uniqueness of this program. Also, cultural program of their family members, also a new uniqueness of this program. In cultural programs, police officers enjoyed their training with their families. Also, medical examination of a lot of all their trainees we have done in our training center. Uh, Notice that in a our this medical examination, lot of officers have got with BP and blood pressure and other diseases. They even don't know about that diseases. So uh, this medical examination is also is the uniqueness of this program. So we are going to overcoming the challenges. There were lots of challenges with us about insufficient infrastructure as training center Khandala, police training center Khandala is made for basic training of lady constables, and we don't have enough accommodation for officers. So with the help of Sinhagad Institute Lonavala, we overcome this challenge. Now there is provision to build a new hostel for the officers in this campus. Also, training module was another challenge before us. With the help of Yashoda and MPA, that is Maharashtra Police Academy, under the guidance of BG Maharashtra and BG training, we have developed this module. This module, I previously said about, told about personal development skills and professional development skills. Both are included in this program. About training faculty, as a this is a training center for lady constable. So we are we don't have that that training for personal development training. We have taken it from trainers of Edelweiss Corporation, Financial Corporation, and also from our department also. Uh, there is also one challenge that is mess management. We have one hospitality training to our mess staff and other staff in a Kohinoor Institute of Hotel Management for their this hospitality, good hospitality of our training officers. Family arrangement was also a difficult task with the help of Siagar Institute. We made accommodation, but there was a problem with families, that when families are when there is a lecture and training about diet, nutrition, stress management, time management. Families are included in that program, but what about their children? So we have started daycare center for children, and in this activity, there is a Manashakti Kendra in Lonavala, and as it is situated nearby our training center, we have taken help from them, and they have arranged lots of program for children. So children were very happy in that class. Also, there was a problem about the challenge about one challenge was mindset and motivation. Uh, in lots of training, there was trainees were very passive. So we have developed interactive training sessions. So that becomes a good part of our training. Uh, about 6 months. I already told that personal development training yeah, becomes excellence in this course as Sri Ketan Gawand, motivational speaker of Edelweiss Financial Corporation, uh, gave very good personal skills. About professional development training, excellent and most experienced police officers of the state, we have invited them for this course. So, experienced police officers gave us lots of their experiences sharing, and it becomes a good becomes very good for us. And so also, diet and nutrition, Rujuta Divekar, that is international dietitians, uh, who gave very good diet plan. Also, she gave us trainees and their families. What is important in that? That is local diet is good for everyone. Uh, and if we take a training or gain experience from any dietitian, but our families don't know the that meaning of that diet plan and details about diet plan and nutrition. So it become very very good for their families. So this diet plan can be implemented in their home also. The upgradation of infrastructure. There is a upgradation of hostel for their officers, means as I told about, we have um, train our mess staff with Kohinoor Institute of Hotel Management for good hospitality. Mindset is also important. In mindset, as we started training center with 3 days program of personal development skills, it becomes
Sir, I request you to please conclude the presentation.
that is last 2 slides only. I'm that is scalability and this replicability of this program. Police Training Center Khandala has completed 11 training sessions, which included seven, 573 police officers from various districts of Maharashtra state, and 188 gazetted officers and 385 non-gazetted officers. Being a successful pilot project and reception of heartfelt response from participating police officers has induced to multiply the training at other renowned police training centers in Maharashtra, that is Maharashtra Police Academy, Nashik, and Center for Police Research, CPR, Pune. There are 10 police training centers in Maharashtra which will implement the same. Uh, that is last my last slide is future roadmap to implement a Swasth Police, Sashakt Police, Saksham Police training program for all middle rank officers of Maharashtra state. After completion of first phase training for police officers, second phase training session will be arranged for all policemen also. To implement this program all over the state, we are planning to include all the 10 training centers and all the districts and commissionerates of Maharashtra. Thank you.
Jury members.
It's a good effort and a very good initiative. The only thing I would like to add is that they should work out some mechanism of outcomes and some type of a feedback mechanism from the people who take the training as to how they can improve it on a continuous basis. They are already doing a lot of good things, but that feedback and improvement and a continuous improvement cycle and measuring of outcomes is something which is very important. They should do that. That's
Yes,
all.
yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rashikant ji, very good presentation. And you have included personality development, yoga, training, and all that to de-stress your work force. Very good initiative. I just want to know, in fact, this stress management in police is very much desired. It is also reflected in their daily work, working also. So what is the real reason behind police stress? It is all over country, in fact. Maybe it may be due to shortage of staff, long duration duties. So what is your experience as a institute head?
Sir, you are rightly said, sir. There is a shortage of manpower, and a lot of due to that we are doing work for more than 12 hours. So there is stress, sir, due to insufficient staff and long hours of duty, sir. You are right, sir.
But there should be, as a training head, you should recommend to the government that police is a regular work. Policing is a regular work. This is
Sir,
not
yes,
a
sir.
one day match. So there should be some proper arrangement. You have to address this issue by adequate hiring, adequate police force. So it is a must.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
As a training head, you should include your feedback to the government that
Yes, sir.
these things cannot be done. After all, it will take toll on their health.
Sir, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shrikant ji. Very good presentation.
Thank you.